Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi beginner step by step. Rinse and cook short grain rice, then season with rice vinegar while fanning to cool. This creates glossy, sticky rice perfect for rolling. Prep fillings and slice fish against the grain into even pieces roughly 1/4 inch thick. Keep your work surface clean, wet your hands to handle rice, and have your bamboo mat ready to roll. Start by rinsing rice until the water is clear, then cook using a slightly less than equal water ratio for firm grains. While the rice cooks, warm rice vinegar with a pinch of salt and sugar, then fold it gently into the cooked rice. Use a wooden paddle and fan the rice as you fold to achieve glossy, separated grains. Let rice cool to body temperature before constructing rolls for best texture and flavor. If you enjoy this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more beginner-friendly videos. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. I find good socks make kitchen prep comfier and funnier. Check the description for the link and deals, then get ready. Now let's get back to the video. Lay a sheet of nori shiny side down, spread a thin, even layer of rice leaving a 1-inch border at the top, and pat gently. Arrange fillings in a neat line across the center, then lift the mat edge and roll away from you, tucking and pressing to form a tight cylinder. Slice rolls with a sharp, wet knife into bite-sized pieces. Wipe the blade between cuts for clean presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.